the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in today's video, I have decorated a table for two in fruits. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today there is no guest, it is a theme, and it's my favorite fruit. So I am your host, The Grace Life, once again DIY home decor. All right, so let me tell you about this tablescape. Let's start over here. So here I have a tier tray that was already decorated, and it has pink, it has some neutrals here, loving it. Now this little piece right here with cherries, that was thrifted, and then this beautiful vine, believe it or not, extends all the way to the end there, and that came from the Dollar Tree. The candle holder, here's a set of 3, but I'm only using 1. Black candle. And then we have this lace that also came from the Dollar Tree. The bowl was thrifted from IKEA. It came from IKEA, but it was thrifted. And then I have oranges, I have lemons, I have pears, I have oranges. This whole bowl is filled, guys. So now over here I have a bowl of lemons. Over there I have some lavender and some tulips. I have that beautiful bird I got from Michael's, I believe. And then we have this thrifted item right here with oranges. The candle holder and the votive that came from the Dollar Tree. And so let's break down this tablescape. So let's start this from the beginning. Okay, so now these placemats, they were thrifted. Okay, then we have these chargers that the Dollar Tree came out with. I'm absolutely loving them. All right, now the dishware, I believe this came from Walmart. Isn't that pretty, guys? Okay. Then here's a salad plate that goes with it. I absolutely love this set. Guys, that's a really beautiful set. And then I thought it would pair nicely with this napkin, buffalo check. The ring came from Party City. I think the napkins were gifted. And then we come over here to Home Goods, where I got this flatware. I like these, very pretty. Then we have the wine glasses that came from the Dollar Tree. So I decorated a table for two, and I'm absolutely loving how this came out. Remember, guys, to head on over to everyone's video in the playlist. Full watch the videos, guys. Click the like button and leave a beautiful comment, guys. We follow the YouTube rules, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and how I decorated my tablescape. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Yes, that's Matthew in the background. All right, guys. God bless you. Amen.